Are you looking for the best massage chairs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best massage chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Homedics Shiatsu Elite 2 Massage Cushion. Massage chairs are notoriously expensive. Not so with Homedics Shiatsu Elite 2. It's a thin, lightweight massage cushion that uses straps to easily install on almost any chair. This design also allows it to be quickly and easily removed and transferred to another chair. This is the most affordable and dead simple model in our roundup. It offers Shiatsu, relaxing, and spot massage modes, allowing you to sort of customize your massage. It works on the neck, shoulders, and back, plus you can add heat to the mix too. Our writers loved the simplicity of this massage cushion. "I like how ridiculously easy this one is to use," said one of our testers. "Plus, I can use it in my own desk chair at home." The design is extremely portable, and the massage functions are straightforward and work well. We love the intuitive corded remote that allows for immediate access to every function with the touch of just 1 or 2 buttons. The soft quilted fabric is also comfortable enough to sit on for hours, so we didn't feel the need to uninstall it after every massage session. If the sky-high price tags of premium massage chairs are out of your budget or you want a basic and affordable model without full-body capability, the Shiatsu Elite 2 is worth a look. At under $300, it's one of the most affordable massage chairs we tested this year. Still, our team found it surprisingly effective at providing heated neck, shoulder, and back relief. Plus, it doesn't get more portable than this. It's compact and lightweight enough to pack up for travel or even throw in the car to take on your morning commute. Number 2. Flash Furniture Whitney Massaging Multi-Position Recliner. You're probably buying the best massage chair you can afford. Its massage features, but a dash of good looks doesn't hurt. Unfortunately, most freestanding massage chairs look like shuttle cockpit seats from a 1970s space movie. Flash Furniture's Whitney is a distinct departure from most of the competition. It won't win any design awards on its own, but the vaguely mid-century modern aesthetic is a clear step above most massage chairs that cost 10 times as much. For our test panel, this massage chair stands out as a great value. The relatively good looks blend easily with almost any decor, and the addition of the ottoman made us feel like this was a legit piece of furniture. With a combination of 5 massage modes, 3 intensity levels, and heat, this chair provides a decent massage. Decent but not great. Our team liked the high back design, which accommodates taller, over 6 feet, users well, and found the pre-programmed modes to work well at massaging the upper body. Our biggest gripe is that the corded remote feels cheap and dated. It gets the job done with simple, direct access to all of the chair's features, often with just one button push. But it's not as sleek or modern as others we tested. Our team also noticed scuffs on the faux leather seat surface within the first few days of testing, which left us questioning this chair's long-term durability. Those few negatives notwithstanding, we admit the good outweighs the bad with this model. It's a squarely mid-range chair, not the lowest rated in our test, but certainly not the best. But the roughly $350 price tag makes is more than worth it if you're looking for a basic massage chair with a design that you can live with in your living room. Number 3. iRest SLTrack Massage Chair Recliner. Many entry-level and mid-range massage chairs take a one-size-fits-all approach. iRest's SLTrack Massage Chair Recliner instead uses automatic body mapping to adjust each session based on your height and shoulder width. The massage hands can tap, knead, knock, or do Shiatsu, allowing for more versatility than most lesser chairs we tested. Plus, the built-in heat adds to the experience, and there's an adjustable footrest that allows for accommodating taller users. The automatic body scan feature sounded like a gimmick to us. But our test panel loved the adjustability and versatility this provided. Our shortest and tallest, over 6 feet, testers all agreed that they enjoyed the massage this chair provided. I'm about 6 feet 3 inches, and most of these chairs are pretty uncomfortable for me because it feels like they're made for average people, said our tallest writer. We also liked the built-in heat and the compressive leg and pressure massage for the feet that work great on their own, even if you're not opting for one of the full-body modes. With 3 zero-gravity positions, we even found it easy to fall asleep in this chair, with or without the massage feature switched on. Our testers found this to be the most comfortable model overall in our roundup of the best massage chairs. It adapts well to users of almost any height, and the pressure and intensity of every component, from the back rollers down to the feet, was very adjustable. But the biggest selling point for us was the price. At around $1,700 delivered, it's a great value that works almost as well as many of the best models we tested that cost more than twice as much. Number 4. Osaki OS4D Escape Massage Chair. Of the massage chairs we tested, Osaki's are among the most expensive. But they're also the most full-featured. The Osaki OS4D Escape offers almost every feature imaginable in a premium massage chair, including full body coverage, heat, zero-gravity reclining, and a built-in USB port. There's even a soothing blue light built into the hood and optional aromatherapy as well. Do you need all that? Maybe not. But, if only the best will do and you don't mind the splurge, this is your man. Our team unanimously agreed that this massage chair gave us the best full-body massage of any we tested. We loved the 4D technology, which allowed us to dial in a more personalized massage by controlling the length of the rollers that extend from the backrest. This is especially important if you, like us, want a chair with full-body capability that focuses on the back. We also appreciated the premium construction, as every component feels solid and well-built. It's backed with only a 1-year warranty with the option to pay for an extension. It's worth it in our opinion to protect your sizable investment. Deciding which massage chair is best for you often comes down to price. At about $4,000, this is among the most expensive options we tested. It's also one of the largest, heaviest, and strange-looking. Buying this feels like a commitment, and it's likely to be the centerpiece in whichever room you set it up. If you have the money to burn, though, and you're serious about getting the most intense, most customizable at-home massage money can buy, without hiring a personal massage therapist who makes house calls, this is the model for you. Number 5. BestMassage Massage Recliner Chair. If even $300 is too rich for your budget, we get it. This massage recliner from BestMassage might seem too good to be true with a sub-$100 price tag, plus $49 delivery. It is technically a massage chair, although that massage is achieved through targeted vibrations in one of 8 different modes rather than through kneading or deep massaging. It also works like a traditional recliner with or without the massage features, so it reclines completely with a footrest to take the stress and pressure off your back after a long day. It's all packed into a very basic package that takes up little room and blends with almost any decor. Our team was very skeptical of this massage chair based on the price alone. After 2 months of testing, we agreed that it mostly delivers on its promise with basic, targeted vibration-based massage. We had mixed reviews as to whether this was effective at relieving achy muscles and tightness. Some of our panel found it worked decently well, while about half said it did nothing for them. We all agreed that the aesthetic is better than most freestanding massage chairs, but the construction feels cheap overall. The meager 90-day warranty also feels like an afterthought. But the question remains, can we really complain about a legit freestanding massage chair with most of the essentials that we look for that's priced under $150 delivered? Worst case scenario, it doesn't work well enough for you, or it stops working after the warranty expires, and you wind up with a manual recliner that didn't cost an arm and a leg. We can see the appeal for anyone looking for a budget-friendly massage chair for a basement or den. If you can afford even a slightly better option, however, we recommend looking at alternatives with legit roller or compression-based massage tech.